are the crabs. So we're just getting them washed. I washed them about 3 times already, guys. So you know, so we have to get the crab them clean before we cook them. And you see how clean they are, and we're not finished washing the mess. Good. Well, take time with it. Probably have to go lean there. Barrel. Lean it. Only something shorter, Gabby. Me. You like to heat them though?
I don't like them.
Come girl, come, you're not come. Just only in class. But about time now. Alright guys, so we just take them out, take out these one, put them in another one here to get everything washed off. You understand? Because I spray some water in this one already and drain off most of the dirty water. So we are going to put them in this one to get them washed off with a little bit of bleach, not a lot, and a little bit of soap. Alright guys, yeah, that's how we do it. We get the crab then to clean before putting in the water, the boiling water. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright people, so we're going to throw a little bit of soap in the water. Not a lot. And a little bit of bleach. Alright. And then we are going to scrub them properly. You saw that one a big pusher. We are going to scrub them. We are going to get this water off of it, people. We are going to scrub them. Don't you look like Bella, eh? Alright, so. I'm going to throw off the water here. So guys, they're getting their final bath scrubbings. You see? Watch you. Keep yourself quiet, man. This is how we do it, guys, over on the Smithsburg TV. We clean everything. Alright? I don't want to bite me, you know, guys.
They don't bite.
Anything they do.
Watch the decline.
Alright guys, so she finished beard already. She get her final.
No, that's a man.
A man?
Yes,
right.
that's a man.
Getting final beard. So this is how we do all of them. But look at this one here. Oh, let me see you. Okay. I'm like, you know how to me good in it? Be yourself.
Whoa.
This is a little fine clothing. Alright, that is it guys, no more. Stick and stay people. Stick and stay. Check in people. Alright. So here we have our scallion, pepper, thyme and garlic. So this is what we're going to put into our crock pot here. Our pumpkin soup mix and cock soup mix, chicken noodle mix. Alright, and we pack a salt. Say a crab, so you take a lot of salt. Alright, so we're just going to get them cut up and then we'll put them in our pot. people. So, you know, we just going to season up a pot, just like how you're going to season up your soup. But we're not going to put any food nor pumpkin into the pot. Just seasoning. As I said before, pepper, garlic, thyme and scallion. Yes, that is what we're going to use with our flavor mix. Cock soup, pumpkin mix and all of that. And the salt. And then pepper not really hot, you know, guys. They're not really hot. So if we want the pot to flavorful, yeah, we like when the crab tastes nice. Yeah, man, people. So yesterday we got catch them, you know, guys. Yesterday, and it was epic. We got some place that I never dream of going. Yep. It was nice, man. Wonderful day yesterday. It was wonderful. So we're gonna just cut up the thyme and the scallion. Cut up. Bella gone school, guys, and she never want to go school today, you know, because Bella just want the crab. So last night when you come in, Bella want me cook the crab. In the night, guys, that take a girl love crab. So we just get them cut up and thing. And these are some old old scallion, dry scallion. Have them in the fridge for a time. Right. So whenever it's crab time, guys, I always use the older type of the season. Yeah.
And out here windy again.
Bad.
Out here windy again, people.
So we're getting the seasoning to the pot. Right. And if we season up the pot, well good enough. And this is how I cook my crab, guys.
Wild crab.
Right. Water for well season up and thing. After you taste the pepper. Taste the pepper already.
It's a lot of salt, but remember when I drink the water.
Right. And remember, it is crab, not chicken or pork, where it's salted and absorbed into the meat. Yeah, but it's crab, so you know, say
Your shell.
pure shell. It will take a while for the meat taste. So, yeah, so we have to ensure so the crab is not fresh. Still want more salty.
A big pot, guys. A big pot.
Alright, people. Water start boil up. So I get in the crab now in the pot. And we have to move fast, you know, guys, because guess what? Yeah, bad. Bad, guys, bad. Give us self. Self. So mental about people. But like yours. So I don't want to know right in our pot. Stay on way so. What a little crab stubborn. Watch it. I want to look a girl in here, see? You know, say, you look on them more than I think. Look on them. Some of them just drops. Alright, guys. So that is it, guys. Stick and stay with us.
You're afraid, Mom?
I'm not afraid of them. I'm afraid of them, Gabby. I would want to look after them. Just don't want them bite me.
Because they're pinch.
Bite me, my bite. Catch me and say bite me, my bite me. Check in, people. So we're gonna put in some garlic powder, guys. Because I want some flavor. And then some all-purpose. Yeah, man.
Put me up, guys.
Open up the camera, girl. Alright, them pepper are not hot as me say no, guys. And them kind of young. So I have to put more pepper in it. They are young.
From our tree.
Yes.
These are like the knockoff Scotch bonnet.
This just give you mostly flavor, you know, give you the spice. Yeah.
Oh, this has a proper name, you know.
Yeah, have a name, but I don't know a name. Everything have a name. Alright, so we're gonna let this cook now.
A long way to go.
And you see how the water look clean, guys? Look at that. Sometimes you go places and when you buy a crab, you see water black. You have to wonder. So, get your own crab, people. Clean them up yourself and cook them yourself if you eat crab.
You guys saw the amount that we caught in us, so
Yeah.
we have some boiling and you will see what we do to the rest. So if you have any idea, drop it in the comment down below and we'll check it out.
Alright. That is it. Stick
Let
and
us
stay.
know what you think we'll be doing next. And stay tuned.
Alright. That is it, guys. Check it, people. Look at that. Crab for days. For weeks. A month. Crab nice. Alright, people. You see how the water look? Look how the water look. You see not black like some people want. Yeah. Good crab cooking. Jamaican style. Right.
Check in, people. Boiled crab is done. Hold on. Check in, people. Boiled crab done. And we have some more on the fire. And we have a lot more in the fridge. So this is how it's looking. Taste piece already, guys. I'm gonna tell you, spicy and nice. Just how we like it. So this is the end product, guys. Stay tuned for the other meal that we'll be preparing. Remember, I asked you to leave a comment what you think we should make next with the crab. or what you think we're going to make next. So, last words?
Crab bad. People, the crab nice. Alright, so just I get in it. No longer 80 gram. Alright people, so check out the next video. This is what, part 1? Yes,
No,
sir.
part 2 actually.
Part 2?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Part 2 of we cooking the crab. So, yeah man people, like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to go over to Smith's World and watch out the entire people. We love the people. And thanks for the support. What?
Say that again.
What?
Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Tell a friend to go over to the Smith's World TV and watch out our entire videos, guys. Please watch out the ads them, guys. Alright? Yeah man people, so this one was epic and I hope you watch it out. We love you all and thank you all for keep on watching us. Alright? So peace out.